Hello guys, this is Vinit from Edge-Forex and today is the 8th of October 2024 and you are looking at the dollar index chart and it's a 4-hour chart, so every candle here represents a time period of 4 hours. And if you look at it, let me zoom in a little bit here. So if you look at in the recent days and weeks, it actually started the rally. It started at around first right at the end of the month, September 1st of October, and it's been on a tear for the last week and a half. And you can see the RSI reached at over 75, which is really extreme bullish sentiment. And then it's taking a breather right now. So let's look at the path it actually took. So we went up, took a little breather here, down here, and then up, and it's taking a little breather here, and it's creating what we call is a bullish flag here. So what I'm expecting is I'm expecting it to break above the top line here and continue its move higher and move higher towards 104 area, where I'm expecting it to take a bit of a breather, consolidate, and then move higher again. And why do I think that is happening? Because there is this underlying strength in the US economy, which is going to now force Powell not to ease at the pace that he was expecting to. So, for example, the last cut was 50 basis points in the Fed overnight rates. Now they said, okay, they may be cutting another 50 basis points, but no, it's not looking likely. Why? Because of the employment that they wanted to make sure doesn't go above a certain level is actually so much came out much stronger than what they expected. So that's now tied Fed's hands, and now even inflation has started to kind of uptick a little bit. So in a rising inflation, rising employment, not unemployment, rising employment, and general economic conditions are also getting better. Housing is turning around. So now if the economy is moving up, Fed wouldn't want to overheat it by cutting the rates. So if anything, they would pause and would want to raise rates if they think economy is going to be overheating. I'm not predicting that they're going to raise rates. They should, is what I'm saying. Are they going to? I doubt it because of the elections. And are they going to cut again? Maybe a token 25 basis points. I don't know for sure yet. So when we are closer to that decision point, I will know better what the conditions are in the economy. But as of now, if I were to predict, I would say it'll be one more and then done. And then next rate would be a hike, not a cut, because soft landing, as they were predicting for the economy, it's not even soft landed. It's like it didn't even land. It kind of came down a little bit and now it started to take off again. And that's what the stock market is telling. That's what the employment numbers are telling. That's what the job markets are telling. So it is all looking very rosy for the US economy. So all the money that is flowing in from Europe and all the other Asian countries is flowing into the US. Why? Because that is where it's being treated the best. How is it treated the best? Is by high interest rates compared to all of the rest of the world. So right now, inflation in the US is around say 2.25, and then interest rates are above 4.5. So now, if you look at Europe, it's the other way around. So negative interest rates in Europe are driving money out of Europe and Euro and making that money flow into the US because that is where it's treated better. So that said, keep a close eye on this and and you may want to enter in a trade when it breaks the overline here on the top of the flag. And I say it's an easy move to 104 from there on. Then I expect a consolidation for maybe a couple of weeks, 2, 3, 4 weeks, and then it's going to move a lot higher in our opinion here at Edge-Forex. So that's it for now, and I will come out with a gold update later, hopefully soon, because it's making some really interesting moves. A very similar setup is being formed in gold also, which I don't want you guys to move because next leg up is going to be spectacular. All right, guys, I'll be talking to you soon. Bye.